Hello everybody, my name is Hamad Ghulam Rezai. Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we talk about number of uh, redo or undo in 3dsMax and how to increase or decrease number of redo or undo. Create some geometries and edit them. Now for redo I press Ctrl and Z and redo. For decrease or increase number of redo or undo, customize preferences and general tab, scene undo and decrease level for number of redo or undo. So if we have some change in geometries and anything like, for example, editable poly and edit geometry like this, and another change, for example, use a modifier and so I press Ctrl and Z button, Ctrl Z for redo, and press Ctrl Y for redo. Now we have some change in customize and preferences, and levels should be 50 to 100, and so question is, why is this number not infinite? Answer is for hardware limitation. This number cannot be approached to infinite number, and we have some limitation for hardware limitation, and so if we increase this number too much, it will limit the details and movement of your viewport. So a number from 50 to 100 or 150 is works. So now we can move forward or backward 100 moves because number of scene redo or undo is 100, and we can any change in viewport like create geometry, edit geometry, create shape, or edit shapes, and we can move forward or back for 100 moves. And so I hope it was useful for you, and good luck.